Hello, I have a mixed haul. I have Dollar Tree, I have Thrift, I have some garage sale stuff. I'm going to start with this I got down at Thrift City in Aberdeen. Here we go. It's a king size. It's hard. I have it on the bed. I washed it all up. Got it loaded. It's a duvet cover. King size, and it's the stone washed. I don't know if you can read it. Stone washed linen and cotton from Belgium. It's made in China, but it's supposed to be Belgian linen. So I got this for 12 bucks. I looked it up on their site and it goes for like $3.39, something like that. So it's just plain white. It's kind of hard to see. And I just have it covered with my other coverlet. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back in my usual spot. I have Home Goods and Dollar Tree and some thriftage and garage sale stuff. I got this down at the beach at Flea Market Finds. I think this is really cute. Ocean Shores. And it's a, what kind of boat is this?
It's like a, looks like an old runabout.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I think she had them marked down to like,
30s or 40s.
it was marked down to like 20 something. So I always like to go to that place. They have neat stuff. But it's perfect for my modeling doll, see? She can run around. She's a pirate. So that was awfully nice. So I got that. I'm not sure where it's going to land, but it's really cute. Got this one, and what else did I get? I got this from, it's a West clock. I don't think it's old, but it's really nice looking. This was $4, and it has the original instructions and everything. And it's wind, which is kind of nice. No batteries. You don't want to wind this alarm, though, because it'll go off. Well, that's not cool. So, but I thought it was kind of attractive. Kind of a deco looking. I forget what else did I get. I don't remember. Anyway, and Mr. Retros got this. Where did you get this at Thrift City?
Anchor Thrift.
Oh, Anchor Thrift. Okay, $2.99.
And Shores.
Shores, yeah. And it's full. Spicy. Let's smell it.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Spicy, Grandpa.
Ooh, so spicy.
Oh, caliente.
Muy caliente. So that's, what did I get? Oh, and then we got this at Thrift City. Oh yeah, here's my Thrift City stuff. He's going to use this as one for one of his creatures. So everything was 50% off. I also got a nice vintage kitchen cart, chrome and yellow Formica. But I left that down at the beach house. I'm going to use it down there. And let's see. Here's my dollar store stuff mixed in here. These are awesome. These are for me and, troll headbands for me and baby retros.
If you're going as a troll.
Really nice. No, we're not going as a troll. We're just going to wear these. Oh. No. There's no going as. And then I got some creepy cloth that I'm going to use in my Halloween display. I've been getting the light colored one, but I kind of want this dark one for my little house. So they finally getting their stuff in here. And oh, and I got this. Somebody on YouTube has a video of you use Dawn with salt and vinegar and water, and you can put it on your weeds, and you can also use it as a bug killer. He killed a black widow spider with this stuff, so we're gonna check that out. And I think that's all I got. And then this I got at, oh, I got a set of Brook Park square dishes at the senior thrift in Shores. I also got this from, I use this white vinyl for my purses, for the straps and stuff. So the dishes were $5 and this was $2. But the dishes are down there. And this was at Thrift City, half price. But this is trim, but it's really cute trim. Look at that. Little bows. That was $1, and this was $1.10, $1.15, and I'm going to use this for when I make my. I'm supposed to be making some Frida Kahlo dolls, and I go like this, and I use that thing to put on her head. But that was $1, and oh, I got the cart there for $12, and I got that duvet cover for $12 too. So that was a cool deal.
Picture of the card.
Yeah,
I can see.
yeah. I got a picture of the card. This was neat. This was 60 cents or something. And it's whimsical. It's 1973 to make these kind of cool looking little, the paint is all crummy, but these are sort of neat. You're just supposed to paint them. 70s thing. There was a Santa that looked kind of cool. He's kind of cool looking. There's all different ones. There's a neat looking reindeer. Some kind of a kid. What's this thing? Oh, Jack in the Box, kind of scary. And what's this thing? Rocking horse. Oh, that's a neat looking elf. And Tin Soldier. Mousy. And Mr. and Mrs. We got Mr. and Mrs. Gingerbread, which is kind of nice.
Nice.
So people like these, you know. And it has the box, so that makes it kind of fun. Oh, here they are. That's how you're supposed to paint all these beauties. So that was less than $1. That's what I got at Thrift City. Then I hit it. I have to let my pet pigs in. What miss? I went to garage sale yesterday. I got this cute wool, what is he, mouse, for $1. He's Halloween. I think this was from Metropolitan or one of those places like that. So that was $1. And I got these movies too.
DD.
Oops. I got these at the dollar store. I don't know what that is. This is a Wuthering Heights knockoff with James Caan, so we'll see.
Oh,
But
wow.
the nice thing is I take these down the beach, we watch them because there's no Wi-Fi down there.
Yeah.
And if they're icky and I don't want to keep them, I can just put them out in front of our place and I have a free space, and people take,
Yeah.
you know, there's a guy up the street has free stuff too. So if you don't want anything, you just put it out there. So I got rid of my floor cleaner and a couple movies I didn't like. You know, whatever. Just pay it forward.
Yeah, right.
The horrible movies. I don't know if this is any good either, but it looked kind of interesting. So we'll see. And then these I got from the sale where I got the Mousy. These were $1 a piece as well. This movie's really good.
Harold and Kumar.
This is the one where they go to that hillbilly place and this Cyclops gets in bed with them. Oh, there it is right there. Yeah, it was really good. Yeah. And let's see. I got this. I think I've seen it, but it's worth a look. See, it's a special edition.
Oh, good.
Yeah. And then, of course, you know, you're at the beach, you probably want to watch this anyway. You know,
Everybody likes SpongeBob.
Everybody likes SpongeBob. And then this one's really good. It has the heat miser and the cold miser in it. So, you know, that's really good. Oh, plus it has 3 of them. This Nestor one, not so much. Rudolph Shining New Year is a little, but this is good. Yeah. I didn't realize it had 3. Wow.
Oh,
yeah, this one has Shirley Booth in it. Wow.
Yeah.
Just saying. And I went to another sale, and I got, what else did I? Oh, I got some cleaner from this guy. But I also got this, I forget what this pattern is. But this is like Pyrex bowl. I can't remember the name of that pattern. Melody or something, or I could be wrong. But it's a nice shape, and I think that was $1. So that was good. And I went to Home Goods and Ross. I got this at Ross. This one is a pretty good dupe for the galvanized ones at Pottery Barn. Their faces are a little bit different, more classic, but it's pretty good dupe. And it's got a thing on the bottom. I don't know why they taped this. Maybe it doesn't want to stand. where you can put a candle in there, see? So that's not bad for $7.99 as opposed to like $65.
Yeah.
So I'm doing okay on that. And Home Goods, I was looking for the Frankenstein Annaleed, but they didn't have it, but I got this cute bat. Annaleed bat. They had the dragon and some awfully cute witches, but I just got this bat. Stupid bat. And this, I just couldn't resist. I love Bride of, it's hard to find Bride of Frankenstein things. And I saw this in somebody's shop with me and I was like, oh, they're never gonna have it when I go, but they had it. So I really like this. It was $16.99. And you could like put candy in it, you could put a floral arrangement, you could put a light in it, might be neat, you know. Put it shining out of there at night, might be very spectabulous. But my Home Goods did not have a lot of stuff like these other places. So it's kind of sad. And then we hit a ghost sale, what we call it, where somebody goes and has a sale for like 3 days, and then by the third day they're just sick of it and just leave their junk, and you just take what you want. So I got this. It just needs a screw in the bottom. It's like a Danish modern wooden tray, and so you just put it there. So, see, so you just get a screw that fits in there. This is a nice project for Mr. Retros. But I thought it might be cute on my little rolling thing down at the beach.
Send a picture with that.
Yeah, I'll just post a picture of that. And I got this free. This is one of those things. You can put one of those Christmas trees, you know, that has the little gumdrop trees, or any piece of glass, anything on there. And it's got a little Terry's Village light in there, see? You put one of those little C7 lights. So, free. And we got some buckets. From Dunn Lumber. That family's had that lumber yard here for over 100 years. And anything we don't want, we just put it out for free down the beach. And I got all of these kid robot things. Oh, he's missing an arm. I'll throw him out. But for free, I can't really complain that much.
Yeah.
Yeah. And these are Dunnies or Doonies. Or Moonies or something. Here's that thing. Looks like a weird chihuahua or something. Here's a... I don't know. Yeah, these are all from Kid Robot. Stay True. See? There's a patchwork one. So, cool. I think that's it. That's what I got. So, I'll see you later. Hope you're having a fun weekend. Bye.